How to connect Amazon with Shopify. Hello guys, this tutorial will guide you on how to connect Amazon with your Shopify store, so be sure to watch until the end for all the steps. Now let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to have an Amazon associate, so from their website click the sign up button. Now, if you already have your Amazon account, you can simply enter your email or your phone number, but if you don't, start creating your Amazon account. First, enter your name, your email, and then your password. Next is to verify our email by putting the OTP that was sent to our email. So after that, just press this confirm your Amazon account. And then here what we're going to do is to fill out this information. So we have here the name, the address, our phone number, our postal code. So once you're done, just click the next button so we can proceed to the next one. Now here, it will require us to put the URL of our website. So just paste the URL of your Shopify and then click the next button. So make sure to read this. Now it will ask you if there are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13 years old, because these traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widgets, and special links. So what you're going to do is to click the no option and just press the confirm. Now what we're going to do is put our associate store ID. So this is just usually like username. And the next is to tell them about the content you create. For example, are you selling any clothes or digital products? So make sure to put those info and then choose what describes your content. So for example, you're just doing blog. So make sure to choose between those lists. And you require also to put where you heard about the Amazon associate. Also, do their CAPTCHA and then agree to their terms and conditions, and then just press the finish button and then we're done. Now we can enter our payment and tax information. So I'm just going to do that later. Now we are already on the dashboard of the Amazon Associates. So here, go to your Shopify and then go to settings. Now scroll all the way down and you'll see these apps and sales channels. Click on that and go to Shopify App Store. Now go to search bar and then search for Amazon. Now you will see the Amazon importer, this one right here. So the Amazon Importer Spreader app is really handy for Shopify store owners. You can easily import Amazon products with just a few clicks. So you can see it right here from the ratings. And now let's install this app. Click the install button, this one right here. And after that, what we're going to do is to wait, and here we are on their dashboard. And what we'll see here is we can paste the Amazon product link to add it to our Shopify, and here are the steps to their app. So if we go to settings, we can now put our country and then the affiliate associate ID, and make sure to change your right country. And now for the associate ID, you can find it here on your um, Amazon associate. So this one right here above the right corner of your website. So just copy this and paste it to our app and just click the save button. So here you also have the tools tab in this app. So in this tab of Amazon Importer Spreader app, you have the option to search for Amazon items using keywords or ASIN, which is Amazon Standard Identification Numbers. Now this makes it super convenient to find exactly what you're looking for. So going back to homepage of this app, you have here the option to paste the link from your Amazon product. So for example, we're going to take some products from the Amazon and then we're going to paste it on this app. Now it was been successfully added to our Shopify. Now we can edit the added products. So here is the info from our product. Now you can change the title of this product. For example, you don't want the title to be that long. So we're just gonna need to change that. And here is the content and the description of the product. Now we also have here the inventory sections, which is important for keeping your inventory accurate and then to ensure that your customers can purchase the products you have in stock. We also have here the shipping and then the variants. And then now that we're done with this one, we can now click the preview button up here to see the products to our Shopify, and this is how it looks like. Now if you go to the product section to our Shopify, here is the imported item from the Amazon, as you can see. And then that's it, guys. I hope this video helps you. And I also hope that you find it a useful tool to expand your Shopify store and manage your product imports efficiently. And then again, I hope this video helps you. If it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.